Ethereum just hit a major milestone, and folks, it's got everyone talking. All right, so check this out. Ethereum, the big dog of smart contracts, just smashed a new record for developer activity in the fourth quarter of 2025. What's that mean? Picture this: more brain power, more coders, more innovation pouring into the network than ever before. This ain't just some fancy number, you know. It's a straight up sign that the foundation of Ethereum is getting stronger, with new applications and upgrades constantly in the works. It tells you that serious talent is building out the future of decentralized finance and Web3 right on Ethereum's blockchain. When you see that kind of dedication, it speaks volumes about the long-term potential and the belief in what Ethereum is building. Now, on top of that, the charts are telling us something else pretty sweet. Ethereum is showing some serious signs of a trend reversal. For a while there, it looked like the price was caught in what we call a descending channel. Think of it like this: the price was stuck going downhill, making lower highs and lower lows, kind of trapped between two downward sloping lines. But guess what? Ethereum just busted right through that channel. That's a big deal. When a crypto breaks out of a descending channel, it often signals that the downtrend is over and a potential uptrend is on the horizon. It's like it finally shook off the bad vibes and is looking to climb back up. This kind of technical breakout, combined with the record-breaking developer activity, paints a real optimistic picture for the network. It suggests that both the underlying technology and the market sentiment might be shifting in a big way. This is not financial advice. So what's the takeaway? You've got a powerhouse of development and innovation keeping Ethereum's engine revving, and now the market's even starting to turn its head and show some love. It's a 1-2 punch that could set Ethereum up for some exciting moves ahead. Keep your eyes peeled on this one, folks. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.